Alright guys, sometimes the trading universe just smiles down upon you. Alright folks, we had the mother of all sell-offs today as this master indicator nailed an 800 tick plunge straight down. Okay, let's get into it folks. Today is Friday, September 15th. What a day. And what you're seeing on the screen right now is today's live price action chart of my favorite symbol of all time, and that is the NASDAQ. Yes, you can trade the NASDAQ on Forex, you can trade it on futures, and yes, you can trade it on stocks and options. Now, I've been warning you guys and gals out there that September and October we're going to be record-setting months. I'm talking like six-figure trading months, okay? And here we are only 15 days into the month, and this master indicator has helped us bag thousands and thousands of ticks just in 15 days. All right. Now, I'm hoping that this crazy volatility continues because I love making money. And right now, in my humble opinion, I just think it's too easy. All right, case in point, folks, let's dissect the anatomy of a massively profitable trade, okay? First things first, you know that this green and red volume color band is our take on volume analysis. There is no better tool in the world if you want to measure volume, okay? And how this thing works is, whenever it turns green, you're looking for longs. And whenever it turns red, you're looking for shorts. That is it. I mean, you could teach this system to a 6-year-old. Right? But that's not where we stop, okay? Because just trading the color change is a little too risky in my humble opinion. Instead, what we want to see is the market establish a downtrend, right? If it's red, then I want to see a downtrend get established immediately. And right after the market proves to me that this downtrend is real, I want to wait for one of these. All right, folks, this is what I like to call a perfect textbook retracement. And by the way, just so you know, I'm highlighting this bar right over here. All right, not the first reversal. Highlighting this one over here. Let me just draw a bunch of arrows on it. There you go. Okay. Now, why is this bar so statistically significant? Well, folks, this is a red reversal bar that prints against the red volume band, and the high of this bar is above the band, right? You can see that. It only ticked maybe like 3 or 4 ticks above the band before just plunging for the 800 ticks that we saw today, right? But this was it. This was the winning ticket today. And I've warned you. In fact, I've warned you repeatedly that volume does not lie. When this thing is red, shame on you if you try to go long, right? When it's red. We are only looking to short the heck out of this market whenever we see volume turning red. And if you thought the NASDAQ was nuts, man, check out the S&P 500. Jesus, look at this thing turn red right here and just plunge for like 40 or 50 handles straight down, right? Nobody saw this coming today. And yep, you guessed it, the master indicator nailed the trend change right here. Okay, so all I can say is, folks, for those of you guys and gals out there who love trading the market, and I mean, this is all you can think about, right? You eat, sleep, and breathe the market, and you're passionate about having a trading system that actually works, that is consistent, and most important, above all else, something that is logical, right? When it's green, you're buying it. When it's red, you're shorting it. That is it. Okay, if you feel that you're cut out for trading such a simple but powerful system, then boy, do I have something for you. And here's my promise to you. Once you start trading professional volume charts, you will never, ever be able to go back to these garbage charts, or what I call Japanese candlesticks and Bollinger Bands and all these nonsense indicators, right? Leave this to the amateur traders and the retail traders and basically the idiots who don't know any better. So listen, congrats to all of my brand new customers and clients who've onboarded over the last couple of weeks. It's a privilege and an honor to bring you incredibly powerful and lucrative trading software. I'm absolutely thrilled that you guys crushed it today. Guys, that'll do it for this video. If you'd like to get your hands on this powerful volume indicator, then get in touch, call, text, email, whatever's convenient, and I'd be happy to hook you up with a free one-on-one demo, really show you how this volume indicator is going to supercharge your trading. Guys, thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next trade.